My name is Carolina Nunez, and I'm a professor at BYU Law School, where I teach immigration law, immigrant rights, and torts. I had a lot of people that would call me all the time asking me, will you help me with my immigration paperwork? Will you help me figure out my daughter's immigration status? And I assume people called me because they knew that I was an immigrant. I came to this country when I was 9 years old from Venezuela. But I felt like I wasn't interested in immigration law, and I always declined all of those requests. When it came time to think about what I wanted to research, when I joined the BYU Law faculty, suddenly immigration law seemed really interesting. Immigration law is hard to keep up with. It's always changing, it's always a hot topic. It takes 2 minutes of watching the news to know that there might be a change really soon. There will always be a need for immigration law, and there will never be an opportunity to have zero immigration law because people do cross borders. One of the biggest problems right now in immigration law itself is that there are not enough ways for people to come to the United States legally. People come for a variety of reasons. People come to have better opportunities for themselves, for their children. People come to escape horrible conditions in other countries. People come to start businesses. People come for a lot of reasons, but immigration law doesn't account for all of the reasons that people might come to the United States. The reality is, for many of these people, there is no line. There's no line for a good many people who want to come to the United States, and that seems to be a failing of the immigration system that doesn't reflect the realities of immigration. We need more people to know more about immigration law. I'm always fascinated when I hear in the media debates, people talking about immigration law, and they're not informed. They don't know what our immigration system actually is like. So we need more people trained in immigration law to be able to enter those discussions intelligently and helpfully. Immigration law is a global issue. So we have a lot of problems with the US immigration system. But again, borders are man-made. So all of the borders across the globe are things that we've made artificially, and people need to cross them sometimes. And we have an enormous refugee crisis happening right now in Europe, where we have millions of people, literally millions of people, who are trying to cross borders. And there's no way to deal with it quickly and easily because these are people. At the end of the day, immigration law is about people. People matter, and so immigration law matters.